returning or may be retiring but still need to save their files, this video is for you. Google Transfer is a tool designed to help educators easily transfer ownership of Google Drive files from one Google account to another. This is particularly useful when a teacher is leaving a school or transitioning roles. Here's a tutorial on how to use Google Transfer. Start by visiting the URL takeout.google.com/transfer. Make sure you're signed into your BDS Google account that currently owns the files you want to transfer. Next, you'll enter a destination account. Enter the email address of the Google account you want to transfer ownership to. You'll need to verify your destination account with a code. You will initiate the transfer process. Google will begin transferring ownership of the selected files. Depending on the number of files and their sizes, the transfer process may take some time. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive confirmation that ownership of the selected files has been successfully transferred to the designated account. After the transfer is complete, it's a good idea to verify that the files have been successfully transferred to the new account. Please note that if you make any changes to the original documents in your Google Drive or make any changes to your email, you will need to repeat the process so the most current version of your files are accurate. If you would like further support or have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your BDS Instructional Technology Coaching.